Hi my friends, in this I'm showing how you can fix Cant connect to this network issue. Here you can see it's connected. Now let me show you how to fix it. Click to open File Explorer. Right-click on this PC. Click on Properties. Here click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Hardware. Click on the Device Manager. Now click on the Network Adapter. Find a wireless network adapter. Right-click and then install the drivers. After that, restart the machine. After restarting, click to connect to the Wi-Fi network again. Here let me enter the password. Done. Now you can see it has connected. So let me check to see. It's working. Let me hope it has helped you. We meet in the next video.